In this video, I'll talk about how long it takes for funds to settle using Webull. Now, it's different from depending on which one you use, but if it's stocks and ETF sales, it will usually take on the trade date plus 2 business days. So if you sell it on Monday, it will be settled on Wednesday. For options, it's the same, but only 1 business day, so sell it Monday, funds will settle on Tuesday. Now for deposits, usually it will take about 4 to 5 business days to be fully cleared. So you should wait at least a week to see if it's fully cleared. Now keep in mind, you may get instant buying power up to a certain limit, but just remember that they're not fully settled until the deposit is cleared. Now for withdrawals, it will take about 1 to 5 business days to get it cleared and transferred to your bank account. So keep that in mind. So for withdrawals, if you waited a full week and you still haven't gotten it, you should contact their support. But usually it will only take about 1 to 5 business days. So that's about it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.